Hello everyone, I'm just making a quick video with the latest update from pre-release version 2.1, and I'm going to show you how to upload your mods into the Steam Workshop. So first, you need to have your mods in your local folder. So basically you can right click on your game from Steam, go to local files, go into your mods folder, and whatever you have here in your folder is going to get uploaded into the workshop. Now this is the example with the last aircraft I did from the last mod. The only thing I've added is this workshop underscore thumbnail underscore JPEG file. Now any image, not any image, but only JPEG and PNG files with workshop underscore thumbnail names will work, and it's image that is going to be used in the workshop. So here I have this very, I don't know, very badly detailed image that is going to be part of the workshop. So yeah, once I have my mod content in the exact same, my mod folder in the exact same way I had it from the last video, I can open the game. And then once it loads, I can go into the mod menu. And here first I need to click on new workshop item. This is going to initialize making the workshop item. Then I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to name it the orange one. And I will select the folder. Now this was the orange folder, and I'll just give it update item. And this is going to be updating for a little bit. You can see it on the text here. And once it uploads the files, it is going to give you that they're uploaded. Now, for some reason, I have some problems loading the mods. So for example, once you upload the workshop item, you are gonna subscribe to it, but it's not gonna download. So I've had this problem. So if you have this problem, just maybe restart Steam and it's gonna work. This is how I solved it for me. So now if I go, probably by the time the video is up, you're also gonna have a workshop tab here, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go into I'm going to go from my profile into my workshop submission. So here I have it. Here I can see my submission. I can add images, I can change it, whatever. And here I'm going to make it public. So now that you already have it uploaded, you just change its visibility. You just change its visibility to public. So now that I've changed the visibility, hopefully it is going to be visible to everyone. So yeah, this is pretty much how you add stuff to the workshop. Now a few more things that I've also added in this update. So if I go into the local files, so first in the example mods, there are now skins and sounds. So if I open, let's say, so in the mods, first off, I'm going to go over the skins. So the ultralight has custom skins. So if let me just open this with VS Code. Hopefully it is going to be pretty readable. Yeah, so there is this new extra skins variable that is a list of additional skin configurations, and it's a bunch of paths that are local to the mod. So you can go skins slash ultralight slash whatever, however you decide to organize your mod folder. You have those custom skin names. You have the call sign color. You can change it based on a hex value. If you give it, it's optional. You don't have to give it. You don't have to necessarily give it, but if you give it a call sign color, it's going to change it. And also you have a default skin name, which in this case is yellow. So yeah, here you have skins. These are not necessary, but you can add them. This is the example for the skins. Now the Twin Bob has custom sounds, and yeah, if I open it with VS Code, there are these new variables which are engine sound 0, engine sound 50, and engine sound 100. So the way Bush 1022 works is if you have it interpolates between 3 stages of engine sounds, so you can experiment with it. Now the sounds in this version are not too great. I made them for example, they could be much better, and I'll probably update them in the next versions, but yeah, you can play around with that. Just give it custom engine sounds. If you don't give it a sound, like if I delete this, it's going to use the default. So yeah, that's it. And as a final remark, I can go over the skin folder to show you what they look like. So they're just a bunch of skins that I use for the ultralight. So yeah, that's it pretty much. In this new version, you can now upload your mods to Steam. There are custom skins and there are custom sounds which you can add. So yeah, thanks for watching, and let's hope we get some mods soon.